He's damn well taking his time. Aha, there's the bastard. Can't wait to see the look on his face. What the hell is that? Good God! Give me your gun!
Not bad, Thomas. I guess I underestimated you.
All right, everyone. On the day's work. Let's go get some drinks. I'm paying.
Thomas, you said this wouldn't be a recurrence.
Hey, shut up, you red door wedge. We're having a moment.
Sorry.
Hey, Thomas?
Huh?
He's, yeah.
What? Seriously? We practically drop-kicked his fucking car into the stratosphere. I didn't even see it when I was passing by the crossing, meaning that car is either still falling or Jamie fucking ate it.
Yeah, well, that cop is good at one thing, and that one thing is being a stubborn goddamn prick. We can't just keep coming up with absurd one-off ideas.
Meaning?
We're gonna have to kill this guy, Thomas.
Damn.
A railgun!
Is the target in sight?
Affirmative, target acquired, arming cannon.
Copy that, reducing speed. Alright. Cut the bit, narrator.
Steady, steady.
Narrator, the rails. The tracks can't hold the weight of...
Nonsense! Aim!
Narrator!
And fire!
We're gonna crash! Oh no.
Abort! Abort!
Fall back!
I will not be labeled a fucking war criminal!
We screwed up.
We? No, there is no we. We weren't there when you murked some old woman's house.
What? No, not you. Oh, fuck it.